Friend, I teach you how to use a machine. Before operate the machine, we need to do something. First, open the power source. Power. Make sure this two-part button like this. Open the machine.
Emergency stop switch.
This is emergency stop switch. Make sure it is up, not pull down. If pull down, cannot use. Up. Okay, and off a. Make sure the air compressor working. And make sure the earth line, ground line connect on metal. And change the suit, nozzle, and electrical for the cutting. For example, now we cutting 3 mm thickness metal. You can use 1.3 nozzle and electrical. Cutting is very good. Change the suit, nozzle, and electrical. Okay, before cutting, and change the current. Change the current about plasma source current. You can use this change. For example, we change to this number. Now we cutting 3 mm thickness metal. Not use very big current. This is okay. And then setting wheel the THC. This is arc number given voltage. We can set in 120, and this setting to 1. Setting to 1 is okay. And this IHS, the torch IHS, setting to 11 is okay. Okay. Okay, and then press enter. We need setting the speed. For example, you cutting 3 mm metal and setting wheel current. The speed. Press F. Press F. Setting the speed of cutting speed. We setting to 3,800. Don't forget press point 0. Okay, and press enter. You can see the speed have changed. Cutting speed. Okay, after you prepare these things, you can start working.